नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमका सिंपली फुटबॉल कार्यावळीन FC गोवाची पहिली होम गेम 2018-19 ISL सीझनाची बुधवारा रातीन फातोर्डे स्टेडियमार मुंबई सिटी FC वांगडा जातली। ह्या सीझनान FC गोवान आपले पयल्यो 2 गेमी अवे खेळ्ळ्या, म्हणजे पहिली मॅच गुवाहाटीन नॉर्थ ईस्ट युनायटेडा वांगडा, जाल्यार दुसरी गेम चेन्नईन FC वांगडा चेन्नई खेळ्ळ्या। पयल्या गेमीन FC गोवाची गेम ड्रॉ जाली आणि दुसरी मॅच FC गोवा जिखिल्ले, सो तांचे 2 मॅचीन 4 पॉइंट आसा आणि आता ते ह्या सीझनाची तिसरी गेम खेळपाक पुराय तरेन तयार आसा। आता सर्जिओ लोबेराच्या पंगडा मुखार आव्हान आसा म्हणटात ते मुंबई सिटी FCचे। मुंबई सिटी FCचो कोच जावन आसा पुर्तुगेज आदलो पुर्तुगेज इंटरनॅशनल सेंटर बॅक होगे कोस्टा। सर्जिओ लोबेराच्या पंगडा मुखार जे आव्हान आसा मुंबई सिटी FCचे ते सामके खडेगांठ आसतले, हातून दुबाव ना। अशें म्हणटकीर जेन्ना ह्यो 2 टिमी बुधवारा रातीन फातोर्ड्याक खेळटल्यो तेन्ना सामकी एक्सायटींग मॅच जावपाची पुराय शक्यता आसा। आणि ही पहिली होम गेम आशिल्ल्यान, ह्या सीझनाची पहिली होम गेम आशिल्ल्यान सगळे जे FC गोवाचे हजारांनी जे फॅन्स आहा ते सगळे उमेदीन आसा। सो ह्या गेमी खातीर मंगळारा दनपारां फातोर्ड्या स्टेडियमार प्री मॅच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जाली। ही प्री मॅच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स म्हणटात जी कार्यावळ आसा ती सामकी मॅन्डेटरी आसता। केन्नाय खंयची लीग मॅच आसता ताज्या पयल्या दिसा एक प्री मॅच कॉन्फरन्स आसता, जातून दोन्ही कोच आपापल्या पंगडा बद्दलचे प्रश्न, जे पत्रकारांचे प्रश्न आसता ते आन्सर करता। सो जेन्ना आज ही प्री मॅच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जाली तेन्ना पत्रकारांनी पयली सर्जिओ लोबेराक प्रश्न केले FC गोवा बद्दल आणि तांच्या तयारी बद्दल। आणि हे पळयात जे FC गोवाचे जे कोच सर्जिओ लोबेरान तांणी जे प्रश्नांक जापो दिल्ल्यो त्योय तुमकां मेळटल्यो आणि ते जातकीच ताज्या नंतर मुंबई सिटी FCचो कोच होगे कोस्टा मिडिया मुखार आयलो आणि ताणें तांच्या प्रश्नांक जापो दिल्यो। सो आता आमी पळोवया ही FC गोवा आड मुंबई सिटी FC खातीरच्या मॅची पयलीची प्री मॅच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स।
Greetings, coach. This is going to be your first home game after 2 away matches. How difficult is it to play a competitive match after a gap of 18 days? It has been 18 days since the last game.
Después, comparativamente, bueno, a ver, nosotros el hecho de estar 18 días parado, el calendario es como es, no como nos gustaría que fuera, no tenemos excusas y tenemos que adaptarnos a él.
With regards to your question, the calendar is the way it is. For the 18 days that it was gone, that's how it came out, so we can't make any excuses about it.
Hay equipos que han jugado muchos partidos seguidos en un periodo muy corto de tiempo. Esto nos va a pasar a nosotros ahora inmediatamente. Por lo tanto, vuelvo a repetir, si estamos escudándonos en cosas que no nos gustan o nos gustaría que fueran de otra manera, lo único que estamos haciendo es perder el tiempo.
There's been a few teams who've already played a lot of matches in a short space of time, and that's what's going to happen to us as well. So for us, it's very simple. We have to play to the best of our abilities. If you're looking for excuses at this point of time, the only thing that we're doing is wasting our time.
Estamos contentos, sobre todo con el segundo partido que jugamos fuera de casa contra Chennai. En el primero me quedó un poquito la sensación de haber perdido 2 puntos más que ganar 1.
We're very happy with the performance that we gave in Chennai. I'm a little disappointed with the game against North East because I thought we left 2 points behind there.
Y estamos muy ilusionados con el primer partido en casa, delante de nuestra gente, en nuestro estadio, con nuestra afición, para poder conseguir 3 puntos que serían importantes para nosotros.
And we're very excited to play in front of our fans here, play our first game at home, and we'll be trying to achieve 3 points more out of this game.
Next question, please. Yeah. Hi, Coach. Ganadhar here from ISL Social Media. My question is, FC Goa is the only team to have scored the most goals at home in the last season, which is 23 goals. What do you think has worked so differently here at the Fatorda Stadium for you?
Bueno, yo creo que al final nuestra vocación, como todo el mundo ve, sabe, y no solo decimos en ruedas de prensa, sino también intentamos plasmarlo en el campo. Somos un equipo con vocación ofensiva, con intención de llevar la iniciativa en el juego, intentar crear las máximas ocasiones de gol y materializarlas. Eso es difícil, pero nosotros asumimos esos riesgos que conlleva jugar de esta manera, ¿no?
The vocation of the team, as you guys know, that we speak about in press conferences and also, all the time that we always keep mentioning, and also we try and sort of, put that out on display outside as well, is that, we always try to play attacking brand of football. We try to sort of take the initiative in the game, and the idea is always to win doing that. So for us, that's the most important thing.
Mantener esos registros es difícil, pero vamos a trabajar para hacerlo, para intentar hacer un año pues como el que hicimos el año pasado en cuanto al aspecto ofensivo e intentar mejorar un poco, teniendo en cuenta los riesgos que asumimos en nuestro tipo de juego, el aspecto defensivo.
Maintaining the numbers from last season obviously is not an easy task, but the aim for us will be to try and do that, but also try and ensure that defensively we're a little bit better off in terms of the numbers that we sort of achieve. But obviously, always the style of play that we have is sort of, there are some risks involved in it, but we have to try and improve on those two aspects to sort of, get the best possible numbers out.
Si usted me pregunta si vamos a atacar menos para encajar menos, no. Vamos a intentar atacar igual y defender y encajar menos goles.
If you're asking me whether we're going to attack less to sort of try and ensure that we concede less, then the answer to that would be no. The idea is simple, that we will try and attack just as much as we did last year, to try and defend better so that we don't concede.
Coach Flavio here from Times. Coach, when the teams met here last, it was quite a thriller. You lost 3-4 to Mumbai. What do you think of your opponents this time? That they have secured the first win of this campaign.
Bueno, yo creo que es muy difícil comparar dos equipos, ya es difícil comparar los jugadores. El año pasado era un contexto muy diferente al de este año, que no nos tiene por qué influir de ninguna manera.
I think it's very difficult to compare teams, let alone compare two players. In regards to the game that happened last year and the game that's happening this year, they're in very different contexts, so I don't think they have any sort of similarity whatsoever.
You are playing without Lanza this year. Have you? Who's his replacement in the team for you, or what is the strategy you are adopting to decrease his absence in the team?
Yo creo que lo importante son los equipos, no los nombres de los jugadores. Creo que el colectivo es lo que predomina todo lo demás, y el objetivo de un entrenador es que independientemente de los nombres saque rendimiento a su equipo con una idea de juego determinada, ¿no? Por lo tanto, estoy muy contento de que Coro esté en el equipo, de que hayamos podido mantener al máximo goleador de la liga pasada con muchas ofertas en otros clubes y que haya podido continuar con nosotros. Creo que fue un hombre determinante para nosotros el año pasado, y el resto del equipo pues tiene que acompañar para que Coro pueda hacer estos números, ¿no? Y creo que esto el año pasado sucedió, y en los dos partidos que llevamos de liga está sucediendo.
What's important when it comes to team is the collective rather than the individuals and the names that are there in the team. The job of the coach is to ensure that the coach always gets the best out of the team and provides the sufficient, he gives the sufficient ingredients there to ensure the team always attacks. What we do have from last year is Koro. He was a player who achieved some big numbers last season, and the aim for us and for me as a coach is to sort of give him the team behind him that allows him to attack and score the numbers they did last year. He had a lot of offers from multiple clubs this year, but he decided to stay with us, which is very good for us. And the aim is to try and put that team together, which allows Koro to shine like he has been doing. But all of that happens only because of the team that he has behind him.
Coach, but last year Koro was a star, but a lot of that had to do with Lanza being there. Or do you think I am wrong?
Lanza tenía muy buenos números porque estaba con Coro también.
So does that mean that Lanza also had good numbers because he was with Koro?
It could be that both played well because they were with each other.
No, para mí, vuelvo a repetir, lo importante es el equipo, por encima de los nombres. Cada rueda de prensa hay una pregunta acerca de Lanza, y Lanza no es un jugador nuestro. No voy a hablar de jugadores que no sean nuestros. Creo que es una falta de respeto a mis futbolistas estar hablando de jugadores que estaban antes y ahora ya no están.
Again, we can talk about a thing, but ultimately what for me is more important than individual players is the team. There's always a question in every press conference that I've been to this year about Lanza. Lanza is no longer a player of mine, and that means that if I'm speaking about him, it's a lack of respect to the players who I have with me, because I'm talking about somebody who I had before me.
Hi Coach, besides a phenomenal attacking display last season, FC Goa only managed 2 clean sheets. So you've got defensive reinforcement this season in terms of Fall, Chetri and all that. How do you think your defense is building up going into tomorrow's game?
No va a ser una obsesión para mí el mantener la portería al cero. La obsesión para mí es tener la mejor diferencia de goles a favor y en contra. En los dos partidos que hemos jugado no hemos mantenido la portería a cero ninguno de los dos. y sin embargo a 2 partidos jugados todos los equipos igual íbamos líderes. Eso era por la diferencia de goles, no por no haber encajado pocos goles o haber mantenido la portería entero. No va a ser una obsesión para mí. Y digo lo de siempre. Digo lo de siempre. Prefiero ganar 5-1 que 1-0 o 2-0.
Maintaining a clean sheet is not something that I'm obsessed with. What I'm obsessed with is the goal difference that we have. After the first 2 games, if you notice, we were top of the table for one simple reason, because we'd scored more goals and our goal difference was better than most others. So for us, that is always the important thing. And then the second thing that he said was that and like he always says, he would always prefer to win 5-2 in a game rather than win that game 1-0.
5-2 es más 3. 1-0 es más 1, clean sheet.
Coach, you played a friendly in between.
Sorry, just one second, I'll just translate the last bit. The 5-3 that he said, the 5-2 means there's a goal difference of +3. 1-0 means it's just a goal difference of +1 and a clean sheet for the name of it. You would much rather for the first option.
Coach, you played a friendly against Churchill. Wasn't the result a little bit surprising for you?
No, la verdad que fue un partido que me gustó mucho. Creo que es un partido que nos viene muy bien. Nos encontramos ciertas dificultades que pueden ser similares a las que nos podamos encontrar en algún partido, y fue un partido de entrenamiento en un periodo de 18 días de parón que hemos tenido, donde las cargas físicas estaban predominando sobre el resultado en concreto y donde tenemos que llegar mejores al partido de mañana.
No, I think I was quite happy with the game. I think it can serve us well in what we're planning to do for the next few weeks as well. It's a game where, there are certain situations that we will certainly sort of face up to in the upcoming game of the season, so in that sense it's good for us. What was more important in that game was the physical load on the players rather than the result, which we consider a practice match for us. So for us it was all about the physical load on the players, because this was 18 days without a competitive match, so it was important to manage that rather than the actual result.
Coach, would you say that adaptability is the key feature for the team going forward in this tournament? Citing an example, in the 2 games that you have played this season, you all have had a couple of players in multiple positions, given the circumstances of players coming in or otherwise too. For example, Mandar as a winger and left back, as also Edu Bedua, who had played alongside Jahu, and when Lenny came in, he played in the wings.
Yo creo que una de las virtudes que tiene un equipo en su construcción es la polivalencia.
I think one of the virtues that a team has when it's constructing its team is the adaptability.
Tenemos que tener en cuenta los entrenadores que con las normas que existen en la competición, de 5 jugadores extranjeros, 6 jugadores indios, contra mayor polivalencia tengas en el terreno del juego, muchísimo mejor a la hora de poder tomar decisiones.
As coaches, it's important to take into account the composition of the squad when it comes to having just 5 foreigners playing on the field at 6 Indians playing. So the more flexibility that we have in the team in terms of playing in multiple positions, the better it is.
Y es verdad que hemos cambiado algunos jugadores de su posición habitual, pero siempre pensando en que la posición que los ponemos lo pueden hacer perfectamente dentro de lo que es nuestra idea y estilo de juego.
And yes, it is true that we've changed positions of certain players depending on the context of the game, but always within the capacity that we know that the players will perform the roles that they're required to perform in our style of play.
Le pueden preguntar a Jordi Alba, la primera vez que jugó de lateral izquierdo, quién fue el que lo puso, porque era jugador media punta, jugaba de extremo, y la primera vez que lo puse de lateral izquierdo me dijo que se estaba loco. El tiempo ha dicho que no fue una mala decisión.
You can ask Jordi Alba, because when he started out he was playing as a left winger. Ask him who was the first one to put him at left back. Then at the time he said, whether I was crazy because I put him there, but now I think it wasn't such a bad decision after all.
What are the messages to the FC fans?
Primero que antes de pedir tenemos que dar mucho.
The first thing that even before we ask anything, we need to always give.
Y que vamos a trabajar mucho para darle lo que cualquier aficionado de este club pide, ¿no? Que es que venga al campo, que disfrute con su equipo, que disfrute de cómo juega y también evidentemente pueda disfrutar de victorias.
And the first thing that we will say is that we will work extremely hard to give the fans what they want when they come to this match, so that when they come that they enjoy themselves while watching us play.
Creo que puede ser un año muy bonito estando todos juntos y estoy convencido que en este campo lo vamos a estar.
I think this could be a great year for us, all of us together, and I think that is something that will happen on this field this year.
Sir Costa, you are here for the first time, and you have watched some games of the teams of the past. According to you, which aspect of FC Goa's game will you be attacking tomorrow?
They start good. They start good the league. They have a very good team, very good coach, and it's easy to understand that they know what they do in the field. I will not speak individual about any player, but we will have a difficult game tomorrow for sure. We respect them a lot, but also we know what to do tomorrow, and I hope that we can do the things that I have in my mind, and if we will do these things, I'm confident that we can head home with the 3 points.
Hi coach, Ganadil here from ISL Social Media. My question to you is, last win against Pune City, it was the first clean sheet for your team in about 12 matches, right? So going into tomorrow's game, do you see as an encounter of the battle of two defenses?
Sorry, I will not speak. Everybody asked me about last season. Maybe you will ask me that last season we win 4-3 here. Different stories, different team, different coaches. All is different. About last game, 3 points, very important for the conference. We scored 2 goals. We missed a penalty. That is not good. We had some chances to score, and we must score. Of course, for me it's important to win the games. But if I can win for 3 or 4, I will not be happy to win for 2. And also very important to don't concede goals. So it's also important for the defense to finish one game and to don't.
Your team has played quite a few long balls in last few matches. Is it a specific technique which you have used or you're going to use in this season?
Did you watch all the games?
Yeah.
Did you watch all this full games?
Yeah, around 80 long passes the team has played, which is highest in terms of other teams.
I cannot speak too much because I will give you the tactics for tomorrow. But one thing is long balls, direct balls, and we don't play direct balls. We play long balls in the back of the defense. It's different things. Just we want to play. We will try to play. This is my philosophy. Try to play. But then, of course, when we have players like Arnold, Sogu, Bastos, especially Arnold and Sogu, we must to take from them the best things. But it's not direct football. Long balls, but not direct.
What are you saying of tomorrow's opponents? Are they now for you?
I told you. I answered. Very difficult team, very good team, very good coach. So open, a very difficult game.
सो तुमकां समजलें आसतलें कशा तरेन दोनी पंगडांनी तयारी केल्यात ती आनी दोनी पंगडांचो टार्गेट कितें तो. ऑब्वियसली FC गोवा ज्या तरेन पोरूं खेळ्ळ्या तातूंतल्यान आमी पळयलां की तांचो जो भर आसता, पुराय तांचो जो फोकस आसता तो सदांच एटॅकार आसता. आनी तातूंत एक वीक लिंक म्हणजे तांचे डिफेन्सांतल्यान खूब गोल लीक जाल्या, पूण जेन्ना एटॅकांतल्यान इतले सगळे गोल जाल्या तेन्ना FC गोवाच्या फॅन्सांक खूब बऱ्या तरेचो फुटबॉल पळोवंक मेळ्ळा आनी तांच्या खेळाच्या ज्या क्वॉलिटींतल्यान तांची तान बुकूय भागले अशें आमी म्हणूं शकता. सो हजारांनी FC गोवाचे जे फॅन्स आहा ते हजारांनी संख्येन बुधवारा आमकां नेहरू स्टेडियमार FC गोवाक मोठ्या मोठ्यान चियर करतना पळोवंक मेळटलें, हातून दुबाव ना. सो आतां अशी जी उमेदीचें वातावरण जे गोंयान आसा FC गोवाच्या ज्या तरेन जो खेळ जाला पोरू त्या खातीर जे एक्सपेक्टेशन एंटिसिपेशन आसा तातूंतल्यान जे फुटबॉल फॅन्स आहा ते खूब कितें कार्यावळी करता कितें चियरिंगा खातीर वेगवेगळे प्रोसेसीस घेवन येता म्हण तूं कोण गाणें रिलीज करता कोण एक व्हिडिओ काडटा कोण जर्सीज बी घालून अशें प्रोसेशनां काडटा अशीच एक गजाल आज पणजेन जाली आनी तातूंतल्यान एक DL लेविन्सन मार्टिन्स म्हणून एका चलयेन आपलें एक सॉंग एक गाणें उजवाडाक हाडलां त्या गाण्याचें नांव आसा डोंट गिव अप हे गाणें ताणें मुखार हाडटना अशें म्हणलां की ह्या गाण्यांतल्यान she wants to celebrate the unity of Goans because of FC Goa. जे गोवन्स आसा ते वर्ल्ड वायड दे हॅव कम टुगेदर अशें ताका दिसता आनी दुसरी गजाल म्हळ्यार हें गाणें ताणें डेडिकेट केलां FC गोवाच्या फायटींग स्पिरिटा खातीर FC गोवाचे जे प्लेयर्स आहा ते फायट करीत रावता निमण्या खिणा पर्यंत अशें DLाक दिसलां आनी ताणें हें गाणें ह्या फायटींग स्पिरिटाक आनी गोंयकारांच्या युनिटी खातीर डेडिकेट केलां सो हे आमी गाणें पळोवया आनी ताज्या नंतर ताजी एक ल्हानशी मुलाखतूय पळोवया
We're in it fierce, we've grown up with time. And yes, we play with all our hearts. Say nothing to hide, the game will unite. Let's show them what we're made of. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yo. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yo. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yo. FC Goa. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yo. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yo. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yo. FC Goa. About to step out as warrior. So are you ready to sing it with me? Sing it with me. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yo. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yo. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yo. FC Goa. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yo. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yo. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yo. FC Goa. So we have just released the FC Goa anthem for 2018. Don't Give Up. And it's a song that truly celebrates the unity that Goans have for football, irrespective of their caste, class, race. We all are united by football, and this is a song to celebrate that. So, hope you guys like the song. Hope it sparks that unity in you all. And Forza Goa, FC Goa.
What inspired you to make the song?
The main thought that I had while writing this song, while thinking about the music for it, was that this song has to unite Goans, because football is all about unity. When you are cheering in the stadium, you do not care about the person next to you, whether he's a Muslim, he's a Catholic, he's rich, he's poor. You just see him cheering and you feel the inspiration. So that was my inspiration for this song.
FC गोवाचे जे हजारांनी फॅन्स आसा आनी आमचे जे लाखांनी व्ह्युअर्स आसा ते एक गजाली खातीर ह्या प्रोग्रामाची वाट पळयताले. म्हाका खबर आसा, म्हाका वॉट्सॅप मॅसेजीसूय खूब आयल्यो की आमचो जो प्रुडंट FC गोवा जो क्वीज आसता वर्सान वर्स, ताजे जे पयल्या होम गेमी खातीर ज्यांनी क्विजान वांटो घेतिल्लो, तो हांव जाणा ते सगळे ह्या प्रोग्राम पळयता आसतले म्हणून. आनी ही पळयात जे फर्स्ट क्विजाचे जे विनर्स आहा ही तांची नांवां.
Grab a chance to support your favorite team in 5th edition of India Super League. Answer this simple question and 5 lucky winners will win couple passes. And the question was, who won the golden boot in 4th edition of ISL? And the correct answer is option B, Ferran Corominas. And the lucky winners are Ronnie Fernandez from Tiswadi, Preeti Thalkar from Ponda, Prajot Panjikar from Bardez, Khani Lobo from Tiswadi, Minesh Gaude from Ponda. Congratulations to all winners.
Congratulations to all of you, and I hope everybody of you will be at the Nehru Stadium at Fatorda on Wednesday night rooting for the Gorge in full spirit. Till we meet again next time in the post-match show on Thursday, I take your leave now. Thank you very much for watching Prudent Media, and keep tuned into FC Goa TV on Prudent regularly to follow FC Goa's campaign in the ISL 5. Goodbye.